You think this blue hat goes with this orange shirt? I don't know. It kind of does a little bit. Sorry, I digress. It's my Taste of Chicago hat. I usually have it back there. Here, I'll put it back so everything's in order. Anyway, sorry. Just getting a little carried away. It's been a long day. So in this video, I want to talk to you about making really great progress with your sales calls. And how you do that is make sure that before you get off the phone that you have a future date set to talk to that prospect. So whether it's the first call you're making, the third, the fifth, the 10th, whatever, always make sure that you're kind of closing the loop. And what's great about this is it enables you to compress your phone conversation. When you compress your phone conversation, meaning make it short, don't go blah, blah, blahing like I do sometimes. No, I don't talk too much. Yes, you do. Oh my God, one time I was on the phone with my boyfriend and he fell asleep. I was like blah, blah, blahing. Poor Doug. He's going to be so mad that I said that in this video. I'm like blah, blah, blah about whatever. And all of a sudden I hear him snoring on the other end. I'm like, honey. God bless him. He was so tired. I think he had just gotten back from like a UK trip and it was in the evening and, oh my God, it was so funny. And I left for like 10 minutes and I had to hang up. I was like, he's done. He's a heavy sleeper. So it was so funny. But I throw that in there because you don't want to do that to your prospects. You want to be known for someone who gets on the phone, makes their point, gets off the phone. Now, if they want to talk, that's different, okay? But when you're in this prospecting mode and you're calling to say, hey, how's it going? Did you look at the stuff I sent you? The things that we do on the phone. You want to make sure that you're getting off quickly and you set that appointment to call them a week later or 2 weeks or whatever it is, because two things will happen. One, they'll be like, okay, great. Terry's brief on the phone. I'll take her calls in the future because I know she's going to get right to the point and she's going to get on, get off, and I can get back to doing what I'm doing. And the second thing is you're facilitating the follow through. So they don't have to try to organize stuff or whatever. They're doing it right there on the phone and they're able to get back to what they're doing. And so these are really good ways for you to come across as a professional, to be courteous of their time and not to bore the crap out of them, right? Or put them to sleep, as in my boyfriend's case. Which, yes, I am guilty of putting someone to sleep on the phone. That is so funny. He's going to kill me, I swear. And it's a courtesy, so it's part of being a professional when you're selling and working your relationships with people. And honestly, even with a client who's already engaged, be courteous, set an appointment, make sure you're following up and you're managing their expectations. So, me, I'm all about the customer experience and making sure the relationships are good because that's the kind of reputation that you want to have in the marketplace. So if you have any questions about this or want to talk about your sales or prospecting strategy and maybe about call scripts or how you're actually engaging with people on the phone or even via email, reach out to me. Let's talk about it. I'm more than happy to help. So you can get me at terry@better3.com. And don't forget that I've got this awesome podcast that's full of also a lot of great tips that will help you in your business and get you super motivated if you're a solopreneur. And you can check that out at simplifyandmultiply.com. And that's it. That is all I've got. So I'll see you next week. Have a great day. Bye.